Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do a really pretty holiday makeup look. I wanted to do this because it's around the time of the holidays and I'm getting back into the groove of filming, so I just wanted to do this video for you guys today. I'm gonna start being more consistent because I finally have a camera. This is the Canon 80D. I did pay a lot of money for this, but I'm so excited to have this and to watch myself grow and watch my channel grow. So let's get into the video. So I've already done my eyebrows off of camera. Just to save time, I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyelids just to blink them out some more. I don't think I'm gonna do anything really crazy on my lids, so I'm just gonna leave it, you know, simple with the blinking my eyes out. So I'm just gonna take this brush and blend this all together. So I'm going to take a light amount of powder. So I usually don't set my eyelids, but today I want to set them because I'm not doing anything crazy with my eyelids. So I just want to, you know, just set it so it won't, you know, look oily and crease while I do what I will be doing on my lids. So the first shade I'm going to take is this super light brown color and just blend that into my crease. And also I got a new phone as well. I got the 8 Plus. I didn't want the X, so I got the 8. And now I'm just going to take this brown and I'm going to take some more of that light brown and just blend it up here. So I wanted my eyes to just have that light gradient, you know, brown and not too dark or too deep. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here, just a little bit of it, and you know, work it right here just to have a little bit of, you know, definition at least. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So this is exactly how I wanted it to look, just like nothing is on my lid, but it is something on there, and it's just giving it this really smooth, pretty effect. So now I'm gonna take this LA Girl palette that Justice broke. I'm gonna take this shade right here and put this on my lid because that's gonna give it a really pretty effect. So I like how just that adds like the shimmer to it, but it's not like overpowering it. It's just adding a nice like shiny look. That is so pretty, and this could be like an everyday look. This is definitely an everyday type look. So I love how this looks. It's just really calm and subtle, and it looks really pretty. So I want to take this rose quartz color and I'm going to add just the smallest amount of that in the center. And I guess all over it actually. This is making a difference, but it's not going to make a huge difference. And that's exactly what I want. So this is just really a calm and pretty look until I finish it up, and this looks amazing. So now I'm gonna do my face makeup, and what I do under my eye is gonna come after that, of course. I've had like a lot of time to just sit down and like work on my face makeup and makeup overall, and I think I finally like perfected it. It was already really good, but now I feel like it's even better than what it was. Like, I'm not doing the overpowering such as highlighter and things like that. I'm just going really smooth and just taking my time even more and just making sure I look how I want to look. I mean, I know like these little marks right here are still peeking through, but that's because this is how I prefer for my makeup to look. I don't want too full coverage because I personally don't want that, and I don't need it, to be honest. So it's really just your preference of how you want your makeup to look. Oh. So now I'm gonna conceal my face, and yes, I'm using Borderline empty concealers because I don't have money to waste. See all that product that came out of this looking empty jar, and this is actually a lot of concealer. So I'm really gonna thin this out because I honestly want a light makeup. I don't like going heavy on my makeup at all anymore. Concealer, foundation, highlighter. I just like a really natural light base, and actually this is way too much concealer for what I want, but it's okay. So something I do need to work on is my bronzer. My sister got me this little Real Techniques kit of mini brushes, so I'm going to start using this to do my concealer because I personally just feel like I just need to work on how my bronzer looks. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to use this Ulta Beauty Cream Contour Kit to contour my face, and I'm going to just use the medium contour number 2. Just go really light on that, and I try to now like get it up a little bit higher than what I would have usually done, so to really give my face some shape, because my face is really round and I have chubby cheeks, so this can really make my face look different if I do it correctly. And now I'm gonna go in with the deepest shade and just do what I didn't do the first time. So now I'm gonna take this little brush and just go really lightly because I don't care that much about my nose contour. I really don't feel like I need a nose contour. It's just something that I do, of course, because I've gotten so used to doing it, but I don't care at all about a nose contour. So now I'm gonna use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and blend this concealer out. So now you can see my face looks really good. The skin looks really good. It's very matte right now, but I'm about to liven it back up. Now I'm gonna take this NARS blush, and this is in the shade Orgasm. This is a really popular shade. I'm not gonna go crazy with this. This has like gold reflects in it. I'm just gonna do a light. This is a little Ulta Beauty thing. It's just called the Rose Blush, and I just use this and put that on top. I know it's kind of backwards, but I don't want to put gold reflex on top, but the gold still peeks through. If you can see it, it does peek through a lot, and it gives me you know, that subtle glow from within. So it just looks like I'm really just happy. So I just realized that my candy canes were backwards. It's okay, they were still cute. You just couldn't see the like little mistletoe and ribbon. So now we're gonna finish the lip off, and I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna take this green right here and put that up under my eye as a base. Now I'm gonna spice it up, and I'm gonna use this shade right here called Hatter and put that on top. For my lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes. These are called Starlit, and these are just from the dollar store. They were like $2. So I just put on my lashes. I honestly don't like these that much. I wish they weren't as like thin looking. And then I put on this mascara. I'm put on a little bit more just to thicken the look of these lashes up. These are definitely way more than I expected them to be. And then I put a little bit on my bottom lash line. So now I just want to make that color at the bottom a little bit more intense. So I'm just going to put some more of that down there. Just so it can be a little lighter, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Me, and I'm just going to put a little bit down there. So I'm going to take the sponge I have powder on and just pat my lips. And now I'm going to line my lips. This is with a brown pencil. And just by me pressing my lips hard enough, it just automatically did the bottom. And that's all I want. I just want it to be simple line. And now I'm gonna take the red lipstick and put that on. I'm gonna go back in with a lip brush and a brown liquid lipstick and just deepen that up. You could easily do this with eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna do some brown out here. Okay. Really want to my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So that's it for this video. I love this video so much. I enjoyed it. This was really simple and fun and just something cute for the holidays you can do. I definitely love this lip. I feel like this is super pretty, and if you love doing a new lip and you're trying to switch it up, this is it because this is new to me. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you guys achieve all your goals in the new year, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and come back for more.